So, Dark Matter Workshop asked me in the comments what size the new Warcry board is and if it is the same size as the Killteam. And you know, I'm going to break it out, the board. You know, the terrain, I'm starting to make the terrain and I'm halfway through it now already. It's been a day. But now we're going to see if the board are the same size as the Killteam board. And let's see. And here you have the board. It takes up a good slot, so let's see if we can get it in the shot. It's almost in the shot, but you know, it's big, but it's not big. You can fit this on a kitchen table. It's approximate the same size as a coffee table. And let's say approximate, is that the word? I don't know. I don't know. I try to use English words, but you know, sometimes I see gibberish. But all right, so it is exactly precise to the corners, the same size, yes, as let's see, as the Killteam board. So it is the same size, Dark Matter Workshop. So yeah, it is the same, to answer your question. And it has two different types of that is scary. Look at this. I really like that design. It looks like the design they use on the boards you can buy. And just a little quick, I can show you what I have built. I built the head. I haven't glued together stuff. I glued together this one, and yeah. So I'm going to. It's going to be really fun to play a game. We're going to play a game of Vanguard tomorrow. I'm going to use this terrain. But this terrain is where it's at. The terrain alone for Warcry. Oh my god, I'm so happy. I'm excited. And when we come around to it, you know, my brain can't comprehend too many rules. So we are going to play Vanguard for now, but we are going to try Warcry, me and my friend. Maybe we're going to film it too, I don't know. But yeah, just to answer a question I received on the YouTubes. There you go. Thank you for watching. Bye now.